ಮಳೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. That moves and Burzia once again, but big plant. Small clump of them are there, some 10 plants are there. And then the rooting is here. Oh, ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ? ಏಕ್ ನೋಡೊಂದು ಸಾಕು ಹೊರಡೋಣ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಬಾ.